Welcome back to the tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the background in Final Cut Pro. So let's jump in and show you how to do that. Let's first grab your clip, then you're going to take the background off. Got this clip right here. Now what you're going to do is look for the magnetic mask. Drag that onto your subject. Hit analyze. Once it's finished, hit done. Cool, now you have no background. Now let's grab your other clip and drag it underneath that. Boom, as you can see, I'll just lower the volume, shorten the clip, and then as you can see this clip's aspect ratio is different, so I'm going to expand that. Boom, and there you go. Got a different background. Thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.